So here's the basic code for a form. So what you have is a form tag, and inside that form tag you have an action attribute. And that action attribute points to a PHP file that is located in a folder with the main folder for the project that it relates to. So you have this action page.php. So I'll give you this code actually. So I'll give you the PHP code. It's not that long. It's like 10 lines of code. It's super simple. And then within the form tag, you have these label tags and you have the input tag. And the input tag is basically the type of field that you fill in. So you have this attribute text, and so that would be like a text field. And then for the input tag down here, you have an attribute called submit, and that's usually just, that creates like a button. So if I show you this, here we have the main form. So the main form is just basically a parent tag that encloses the input elements. So it just is, you'll send the PHP code to the Alta Vista site that you sign up for, and then you'll see it works. Then these names are basically labels. These labels are used by the PHP code. So in the code you'll have this f name, and then here under f name you have first name, which goes here, so that's your label. And then associated with the label is the ID of f name and the label type. So this label type of text creates a text box that you can type in. And then the input type of submit basically just creates a button. And that's the button that you hit. So when you create this PHP code, hitting submit will basically launch the PHP code. It will take the information here, and then in that PHP code is your email, and it basically sends you the first name and last name, or whatever information the person filled in. So if I duplicate, let's say, that label and that input, I might have a label type called email. So I would change this to email. So email is basically would become a variable in the PHP code, and then I would just change this label to email. And this way I could capture somebody's email as well. So I'm asking for a first name, last name, and email. And then what you would do with this is you would put this on your landing page. So I'll send you this code. So you basically can include this, and then you can use style sheets to style the label up here. So you can have a class for this as well, and give first name a style, even style